In the world where strength matters, where precision defines performance, one name stands tall. Welcome to Bottmac India Pvt Limited, where world-class liquid storage and blending tanks are born, trusted by industries nationwide. Inside the heart of Bottmac, precision meets passion. Here every weld, every curve is shaped by skilled hands, ensuring unmatched durability and quality. This isn't just a tank, it's liquid intelligence. It's a masterpiece of engineering, built to store, built to last, built to safeguard what matters. Need heating cooling jackets, multi-port configurations, explosion-proof fittings? Our engineers build to your blueprint. Whether it's a 5,000 liters craft brewery tank or a 50,000 liters industrial monster. Before any tank leaves our facility, it undergoes brutal testing, pressure checks, leak-proof validation. Because it is Bottmac, we don't compromise on strength. Standing tall, our tanks are engineered for endurance, perfectly polished, rigorously tested, and ready to outperform. Bottmac India Pvt Limited, a complete bottling solution under one roof. Ready to upgrade your storage solutions? Contact today.